Morning. Old Vassar revenge fishing, take one. Any distance. No, no, no. Not again, not again. Look at that, Mama. I don't know if that's the one from yesterday. She's a good one. Well, my scale says 3. That's a big 3. All right, baby. Thank you. Back in. All right, well, that is some measure of revenge. Doubt that was the same fish. But I caught a nice big one out here. My scale says only 3.5. Maybe I'm crazy. It was a really long fish. It wasn't particularly bad. So. Piece of advice for you: if you've changed the handle on your spinning reel from the left to the right, like I have, because I can't do anything with my left hand, you got to tighten that nut over here every once in a while. It'll come loose, at least on mine, which is not a very expensive combo. Maybe on better combos it doesn't. Holy snake. You can see that. That'll scare you. Ain't any part of that. Some measure of revenge. I came out and caught a big one almost the exact same way that I hooked the big one in my video yesterday. PB got away. I don't know if it's the same fish or not. Probably not, but it was a pretty decent fish. My scale said, I think, that it weighed 3.6. It seemed bigger than that to me, but it was pretty long, and maybe it was just long and skinny. I'm gonna go back and look at the film, make sure I didn't misread my scale, and I was kind of in a hurry to get it back in the water. I'd throat hooked it, and so it had been out of the water for a while. I gave it a dip to give it, let it breathe for a second before I weighed it. I was still kind of anxious because I didn't want to kill it, particularly after throat hooking it, even though it wasn't bleeding. So I'm going to give some shout outs in this video to some of the people yesterday who were really kind to me about losing that big fish, and commented on that video. So Casual Carolina Fishing, thank you. Four Seasons Yorkshire, thank you. Riptide Outdoors, thank you. BayouBassKing, thank you. Let's try to keep that spot a secret. Wes Lovelace, thank you. Robert Agri Chillin Outdoors, thank you very much. That Murder Inc., thanks for the sympathy. Hoosierback Outdoors, thank you very much. You guys were awesome yesterday and today for commenting on my video and making me feel better, and I feel like maybe some of the good karma you sent me paid off today.